Okay, this is a video of how to scan. We're using a HP Envy 4500, but this is true of any HPs. We're going to scan this picture into Windows 10 using the Windows 10 software. So first of all, we're going to, on this printer, we're going to put it face down, top right hand corner. We'll close the lid. We'll ignore the printer. We'll go straight to, now I've created a desktop shortcut for the printer. So I want you to right click on that icon. That brings up the context menu and you're looking for the option that says scan. Okay, that brings up the Windows 10 scanner window. First of all, we need to preview. We're going to see what we're printing. Right, so we want to crop that because most of that's white, so we'll just grab the little handles there and we'll size it how we want. This isn't going to be perfect, it's just a rough tutorial of how roughly we do this. So once you've got your crop, you then click scan. Bring my mouse down, there you go. Windows scans it in, and then we need to give it a name. So on this page, we'll ignore the options, we'll just keep it as it is. We'll choose next. Now we need to give it a name. I'm going to call that test 5 because this is the 5th time I've done this. And I should say in the settings of this program, I've actually told it to save according to the name I give it. So there's different ways you can save it by date and all kinds, but I've called this picture test 5, and that's what we're going to be looking for in a minute. So we click import, and it's taken us to the path where that file was saved, which is C users, and then Kate being the user account, and then Kate's documents, and in documents is my scans. Now, if we can see the picture now, but let's just say you come back to this later and you think, well, where did that scan go? On this computer, it will be different for other people's computers, but on this computer, we'll go into the Windows 10. We know it's saved in documents because it's said, and we're going to go into my scans because that's where the file was saved on this computer. And what we're looking for is test 5, and there's test 5, and there's the picture. So we'll double click on that. That opens up this black box, which is the Windows 10 photo viewer. And let's just say we want to print this. We need to go to the options, and then we want to select print. That brings up the print dialog page, and then we want to change the photo size, not the paper size, but the photo size. And we're going to just do a small print, which is the smallest it will go to. There we are. And then we'll go to print. And it should print. It has been printing.
Yes.
Just give it a little bit longer because it's printing via Wi-Fi, so it might be a slow issue with the router. Yeah, nothing there. All right, so this hasn't gone to plan, but this page should print. I'm going to look into reasons why now, but this should print.